Hello friends, I know you all are interested in Django. Today I will discuss about Django Debug Toolbar which may help your Django project. At first you have to install Django Debug Toolbar. So right here, pip install Django Debug Toolbar and hit enter. After the install Django Debug Toolbar, go to project settings and go to installed apps. Under the static file, you have to install the debug toolbar apps. So right here debug toolbar. Save it. Now go to project URL. Here you import the settings from django.configuration. So right here from django.configuration import settings. Add the Django toolbars URL to your project URL conf. So type here if settings dot debug, then import debug toolbar, then use the URL pattern of debug toolbar. So remove this and here type underscore underscore debug underscore underscore slash and include debug toolbar dot URLs. Now add this URL pattern with this. So and now plus URL pattern. So save it. The debug toolbar is mostly implemented in a middleware, so enable it in your settings. Now go to settings.py and go to middleware. Now enable the Django debug toolbar. So right here debug toolbar dot middleware dot debug toolbar middleware. Remember you have to capitalize this. So save it and now add the internal IPs. The debug toolbar is shown only if your IP address is listed in internal IP settings. So now do the internal IP settings. Type here internal IPs. Now type here your local IP 127.0.0.1. So now save it. Open the CMD and run the server. Go to browser. Now you can see Django debug toolbar is added here. So you can hide. So click the version. You can see the all of versions. Time is web page loading time. So go to settings. So you can see the all of settings. And debug is true and the internal IPs is localhost. So header actually HTTP protocol and the request is get or post request. In my case I have no get or post request in my website. SQL queries here, you can see it. The static file, templates, cache, signals, login if you are login or not. So the Django debug toolbar is here. It fully help you in your Django project.